In this lecture, we will learn about WH questions. We will practice these questions further with an activity. What are WH questions? It's a type of question looking for more than a yes-no answer. You cannot answer a WH question with yes or no. WH is short for what, who, when, why, where, and how. What? We use what to ask about a thing or an action. What is he doing? He is surfing. When? We use when to ask about a specific or general event about time. When is the meeting? It's in 15 minutes. Where? We use where to ask about a location, a place. Where is Lang Song? It's north of Haiphong. Who? We use who to ask about a person, a man, a woman, or a child. Who is she? She is a horticulture student. Why? We use why to ask about a reason. Why is she crying? Because she lost her balloon. How? We use how to ask about numbers or manner, using how with adjectives to get specific qualities or quantities. How much is it going to cost? It's going to cost $250. How long is it to drive to New York? It's a 6-hour drive. What? We use what to ask about a thing or an action. When? We use when to ask about a specific or general event about time. Where? We use where to ask about a location, a place. Who? We use who to ask about a person, a man, a woman, or a child. Why? We use why to ask about a reason. And how? We use how to ask about specific qualities or quantities. I would like to introduce you to a boy. Who is he? He is a student at university. What is his name? It's Gavin Woods. Where is he from? He is from Bradford. When did you meet? We met last week. Can you talk about someone you met? Answer these questions. Who is he or she? What is his or her name? Where is he or she from? When did you meet? We can use tricks to help us remember what WH question to use. Let's look at some questions. What is her name? This question is looking for a name of someone. Remember, what is used to ask about a thing or an action. Who is he? This question is about a person. Who? How old are you? This question is about quantities, qualities, or manner. Why are you wet? This question is looking for a reason. How do you get to work? This question is about manner. Where are my keys? This question is about a location, a place. What time is it? This is a question about a thing, time. Please pause the video, download and print the 2.0 PDF WH questions to complete this next activity.